Hello, hello. So I've been getting asked a lot lately about how I do my nude lip. So I'm gonna break it down in a few simple slides so you can achieve the exact same look that I do. There are just a couple tools and colors that I use to achieve it, but number one, I think you have to have a really good hydrated lip for any lip color. And I'm obsessed with putting our Milk Moisturizer on as a lip mask. So at night or in the morning, I just put a little bit on my lips, let it completely soak in. I just go about what I'm doing. And it's a really good like moisturizing lip mask that just hydrates and plumps and makes them feel really good for lipstick application. The tool I'm gonna be using today is the multitasker brush. It's my absolute favorite. I really can do a lot of things with it, but my favorite usage is definitely for lips. I'm gonna be using the Astoria contour today. So I've got a little bit of Astoria contour and I'm going to just do it ever so softly right in my, somebody told me the name of it the other day and now I can't even remember, but right in my Cupid's bow. I'm also going to use the Astoria to line my lips, and I am going to overline them, which means I'm gonna go on the outer edge of my lip line and go and kind of make them a little bit bigger. I'm also lining the top of them with that same color Astoria, and I'm just going right on the overfill so that I have a little bit bigger, fuller looking lips. Okay, this is a part that's kind of a little bit weird, so hang with me because it's gonna be cool. I'm gonna flip to the other side of my multitasker. It's a really tiny brush side, and I'm gonna dip it in my highlight. The highlight color I'm gonna use is white peach, and I'm gonna line, so you can see I did one side, and I'm gonna do this side, and I'm gonna blend them out like really, really softly, but it's gonna define my lips even more. So a lot of people start to freak out at this side because they're like, oh my gosh, this looks so weird. And it kind of does at this point, but if you blend, I like to use my pinky because it's tiny and you can get in there. Just blend, see it's even softer now, and I'm still not done with my lips, but I'm gonna fill them in more. I'm gonna go back to the bigger side and I'm gonna be using a color called Plum, and I'm gonna fill in, it's also a cheek color, which I have on, but I'm gonna fill in my lips. So this is Plum. And I am filling in my lips all the way around. And look how pretty it is on cheeks too. Like it's literally my new favorite color. Last side. And you really could just do it just like this if that was good for you. I'm a gloss girl. Probably because I'm from the 90s. I want gloss. Just kidding. I forgot one other step before I gloss. I wiped off my multitasker and now I'm putting it into my rose gold, just right on the edge. And I'm gonna go over the top of my lips, right here in the V. So you can see it just adds that really, really pretty shimmer right in the V and just kind of nestles in there and makes them plumper. Then I'm gonna gloss it up with my very favorite gloss. This one is by Smith & Colt and it's so good, you guys. So So just glossing it up now. I mean, gloss, gloss, gloss. Right over the top. And I'll go right into the Cupid's bow with this gloss. And this is not sticky. It's like the perfect, this whole application stays on really well. I do keep my gloss in my purse just to kind of bump it up. I could never have enough gloss. I'll just keep glossing. Like, whoa, Amanda, whoa, right? Okay, so that's it. That's how I achieve these attention-getting nude lips with products that are super versatile that can be used as my liner, my contour, my blush, my highlight, everything. So thank you so much for hanging out. I'm Amanda Lee Hill. Talk to you soon.